Hey, let me show you heart rate measure comparison between the Apple Watch SE2 and the Samsung Galaxy Watch FE. So let's start on the Apple Watch and also let's get into the Samsung Galaxy Watch FE. And now let's check what kind of the result we'll get. So currently we've got 75 on the Apple Watch, 77, and on the Galaxy Watch there we got 79. So it's almost identical. There's a small difference between both devices. Okay, now it drops to 68 on the Apple Watch, but it is changing for 72, 71. Yeah, so it actually shows some different. Okay, and it also dropped right now on the Watch FE. So it looks like that Apple Watch is actually more accurate. I mean, is actually more sensitive to the heart rate changes. It actually detects changes with the heart rate quicker than the Watch FE, I believe. Yeah, so that's quite interesting. I'm just waiting for the comparison on the Quantify Scientist channel. If you don't know this guy, just check his channel. He's doing an amazing job, and it will be definitely more reliable than mine test. But as you can see, we got some difference here. So this is it for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos.